Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have been using Feedly for months. You have got dozens of feed, hundreds of saved articles, boards organized by topic. But now you need to find something specific. That article about a particular company, that report from last quarter, that brilliant insight you saved somewhere but can't remember where. Scrolling through feeds isn't going to cut it. Since you have a huge feed, you need a search option. Feedly's search function is surprisingly powerful, according to the official documentation. When you need to find any article in your feeds, boards, Feedly AI feeds, or outside your Feedly, you can use Power Search. You can search by keyword, filter by date, limit to title only, and even use any Boolean operators like and, or, and not. In this small tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search across all your feeds and boards in Feedly, from basic keyword search to any advanced power search operators. So let's get into it. First and first, where to find the search? According to Feedly's navigation guide, the search function is at the top basically of the left option. So for example, as you see here, 2 minutes, this is basically the timer. Here, the search option. Find specific articles in your Feedly. It's time now, basically, to use your own keywords. For example, is it tech related? I'm going tap on tech. Quickly search in your Feedly by keyword popularity or content type. Get search. Now you have to subscribe for Pro or Pro Plus to use these options. And sadly, that's the sad part. So that's it. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.